guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today, I will be doing a makeup tutorial which is Oikawa Tooru from Haikyuu. To know who's Oikawa Tooru, he's the captain of Aoba Johsai team and he's Iwaizumi's best friend. He really loves milk bread and usually I decided to cosplay him because he's really a good character, especially he fights well and he smiles a lot of times. He's also very inspiring to me, then that's why I decided to cosplay him. Let's start with the makeup tutorial. Let's start hydrating the face first. Use the Face Shop Rice Ceramide Moisturizer to hydrate your face. Especially, you'll start using foundation in applying makeup to apply it very smoothly. Use the fingers to blend it smoothly on the face and at the neck. The next one to put is Etude House Double Lasting Foundation and Caroline BB Cream Whitening. Combine both of them first at a small bowl so that it will fit for your natural skin tone. Use any pointy ends of any brushes to blend the colors properly to fit for your natural skin tone. Now it's time to blend on your face using a bumping brush or foundation brush. Don't forget to apply it also at the neck to make the foundation equal. The next thing to use is Caroline Pimple Concealer to be applied at the dark circles of the eyes, at the bridge of the nose, at the forehead, and at the Cupid's bow. Use the blending sponge to blend the concealer very well. The next one to use is Ministar Professional Makeup 3D Face Sculptor as an eyeshadow, leaving the center crease behind. Use Estee Lauder eyeshadow palette in the first color to the left to put it at the center crease. This will give the eyes a 3D effect. Use EB Ivera eye pencil as an eyeliner. Apply it only a little bit since this is a boys makeup. Usually when I cosplay boys, I only put very thin eyeliner as possible to make your eyes look bigger. Apply it also at the lower eyelid corner of the eye until the center only. Now it's contouring time. Use Ministar Professional Makeup 3D Face Sculptor in dark brown shade to apply it on the sides of the nose. Apply it very gently and make sure that you apply an equal amount to make the nose look pointier. This is my third time I contour my nose. So it takes time to master it because there are times that I made a mistake that I put too much contouring. You don't have to be rushed in putting the contour because it really takes time to master it, just like what I do. Use a finger to blend out the soft edges of the contour. Use the white one of the 3D face sculptor to be put at the nose bridge. Use Huda Beauty eyebrow pencil to be placed at the eyebrows. Use a small brush to blend the eyebrow pencil very well. After that, use the Face Shop Designing Brow Cara to apply it on the eyebrows too to make it more natural-like. Nowadays in cosplay, I also apply Brow Cara. Time to put powder on the face. So use Sari-Ayu Martha Tila compact powder using a brush to apply it on the face and also on the neck. It's time for my favorite part, putting the wig cap. Put the wig cap on the head to protect the hair so that when you wear a wig, the real hair will not be seen. This will be easier in putting the wig. Here is the most exciting part, applying the wig. Style the wig according to the hair of the character you cosplay. This wig that I wore has adjustable hooks. So measure your head first before putting the wig so that it will fit properly on your head. This wig is very fluffy and styled properly to touch it very well. Before Oikawa goes to the training, he hydrates his lips also. So use Human Nature lipstick in Coral Charm shade to make sure the lips will become luscious, to make him more good charming and very handsome. Now he is ready to train himself together with his teammates from Aoba Johsai to enter the national tournament for volleyball. That's all for today, and don't forget to like this video, and I hope you find this tutorial very helpful. Don't forget to follow my social media accounts, which are Kawaii at Cosplays and Hana_Maga. So that's all for today, and see you soon. Bye!